The word Sinharaja means Lion King, and the popular belief is that the legendary origin of Sinhala people in Sri Lanka is from the descendants of the Lion King who once lived in the forest and a princess. The Sinharaja forest is one of the Sri Lanka's last remaining undistributed rainforest and one of the most beautiful forests in the world. There is much Sri Lankan wildlife, especially birds, but the reserve is also home to over 50% of Sri Lanka's endemic species of butterflies and mammals and many kinds of insects, reptiles and rare amphibians. This is one of the main reasons that UNESCO declared Sinharaja Forest as an UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1989. This dense rainforest has an amazing variety of flora and fauna, and this has caught the attention of scientists as well as nature lovers who make excursion into the jungle to explore and appreciate its many natural wonders. To reach here, you need to take a flight to Colombo. From there, it's about 166 km and 3.5 hour journey by taxi. The three sides of the rainforest are bounded by rivers. It's located in the wet zone of Sri Lanka and only accessible by foot, while it is spanning an area of 11,187 hectares. The rainfall is well distributed with peak periods during the two monsoons, May to July and October to December. There is no dry spell throughout the year. The vegetation of Sinharaja may be described as a tropical lowland rainforest. More than 60% of trees are endemic and many of them are considered rare. The average height of the trees varies between 35 meters to 40 meters. Some trees rise even up to 50 meters, such as canopy tree. The total vegetation density, including trees, shrubs, herbs and seedling, has been estimated to be around 240,000 individuals per sector. There are 211 types of tree and woody climber species in Sinharaja, and 139 of them are endemic. In Sinharaja, the most seen animal is the purple-faced lil monkey, and the most common deer species is Shambhu. The mouse deer and the barking deer also found within the reserve. Leopards are very rarely sighted, but their frequent presence has been confirmed by tracks and other signs. Badger mongoose and the golden palm civet have been occasionally sighted. The forest has most common green garden lizard. The only tortoise record in the reserve is the herd-shelled terrapin. Among the snakes, the green pit viper and hamp-nosed viper are commonly found in this forest. Leeches are extremely common here and at one time were considered as cause of more deaths to explorer than all other animals combined. Nowadays, guides carry anti-leech preparations to keep tourists protected. Over 150 species of birds have been recorded from Sinharaja, and it is home to numerous native birds of Sri Lanka such as hanging parrot, grey hornbill, Layard's parakeet, jungle fowl, brown-capped warbler, among others are famous in this area. The 95% of Sri Lankan bird species are found here, and some of them are endangered birds, such as wood pigeon, green-billed cockle, white-headed sterling, red-faced malkoha, spurfowl, blue magpie, and ashy-headed laughing thrush. Sinharaja is surrounded by 22 villages with a population of approximately 5,000 people. Only two villages, Warukandenia and Kolonthotua, are located within the reserve. Villagers collect dead wood and leaves from forest to use it as fuel and for construction purposes. They also grow different types of trees in their home garden, such as jackfruit, vines of betel, black pepper, passion fruit, papaya and banana. They manufacture baskets and mats that made from bamboo, rattan or sugarcane. Numerous plants used in the native Ayurvedic system of medicine are also collected and sold by the villagers. As example, the stem of venial used by most Sri Lankan as an antidote for tetanus. Within the forest area, there are 7 beautiful waterfalls. They are Kakuna, Brahmana, Thattu, Divili, Uran Watunu, Malmora and Pathan. There is also a popular trekking spot within reserve, that is Lions Rock. You need to hike 12 kilometers to reach up there. Once you are on the top of the rock, you will be amazed by the 360-degree breathtaking view of the jungle. The travelers and explorers from around the world find peace and tranquility in Sinharaja rainforest. Allow yourself enough time to roam about within the nature's green cathedral and enjoy its beauty and majesty, whether you be a photographer, artist, scientist or a nature lover. That's it from my side. Our world is amazing. I will continue to explore and share with you. Thank you.